Hello, welcome to Foundation in Visual Arts from the pioneers of creative education. This creative and IQ development kit enables children to perform visual art activities that promote experiential learning and help them step into the logical world. The uniqueness of this kit is that it houses various digital activities that introduce children to software application that enables endless exploration of shapes, colors, and more. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses model-making materials, craft materials, drawing and painting materials, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS, and Android platforms. A content-rich book with step-by-step instructions and an engaging sketchbook. Using this toolkit, the children will be able to perform 17 hands-on visual art activities that include creating 1, 2, 3, and multi-shape objects, creative pencil toppers, badges, gift wrappers, and a lot more. Also, a set of 11 digital activities that include designing creative decoration kits, creative cakes, and more introduces children to a cutting-edge software application, thus preparing for a future where technology is indispensable. The Playway experiential learning nurtured through this creative and IQ development kit enables children to interpret, sort, and describe solids. Describe the different kinds of movements that shapes take. Explain the objects around by using simple comparative prepositions. Understand shapes and space. Perform basic mathematical operations. Identify patterns around and apply the knowledge sought to create patterns. Demonstrate an understanding of emotions through drawings. Get introduced to traditional art and culture through inspiring activities. Use software to showcase creativity in the new age medium. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.